So now I'd like to talk about some basic arm postures and arm movement and hand movements in belly dance. So let's start with our posture that we discussed in the first section. Relaxed, breathing, shoulders down. Not pulled down, but in a nice, comfortable position. And let's take the arms up here. So this is a very typical arm posture. You don't want the arms here straight. You want them relaxed here, elbows down. Hands generally down or comfortable. This is a very common arm posture, and you'll see this a lot later on in the DVD. And also here, this L shape. And when people tend to focus on the shoulders, they tend to tighten them. It's just our tendency to pull up and to have a lot of tension in the shoulders. So you can think of releasing that tension and lengthening the neck and being very comfortable with your arms out or up. Yeah? You can turn the hands in. So you use your arms a lot as a frame. Here I'm framing my head. And here framing my hips. Yeah. So now we'll move on to the hands. This is a very nice hand movement. And to do this movement, you can think of having a bowl of frosting, like when you were a kid. And you want to take that frosting off of the inside of the bowl. So you're taking it off, taking it off. Yeah, and with the other hand. So I start with my palms facing out. And I'm taking the frosting off of the inside of the bowl. Yeah. So you can do this with any arm position. If I want to, let's say I have my bowl of frosting here, it's the same hand movement. And of course here. So again from the front. Now I'm going to take this movement out to the side. So all I'm doing is moving my arms. The hands are doing exactly the same thing. And there is a little bit of tension in the hand. You don't want the hand to be limp. Yeah? You have a little bit of tension there. Now let's take the arms overhead. So here I have 2 bowls of frosting above me. And I'm still relaxed. I'm still breathing. And now we're going to keep the hands going. And one is going to come down in front of me. And then out to the side. And it's going to meet the other hand overhead. Let's do that one more time. I'm going to bring both hands down and take them up. And again, from the front.